Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurlatifah Zahroh. I am from K2, and today I want to explain what article I choose. So the article I choose is titled "Upgrading Students' Reading Skill Through Digital Literacy," published in the Journal of Social Science Studies. I choose this article because it discusses a topic that feels very relevant today: how digital literacy contributes to improving students' reading abilities. And we live in a time when reading no longer happens only through printed books or handouts. Most of us, especially students, now read text through screens, websites, online journals, and social media posts. Because of this shift, being digitally literate is not just advantage but a necessity. I found this article interesting because it explores not only how technology can support reading, but also how teachers and students can work together to use digital tools wisely and in ways that actually enhance comprehension instead of distracting from it. So, an important thing that I learned from the text I chose is I learned from this article is that digital literacy goes far beyond just knowing how to use technology. It's about how readers interact with information online, how they see, search, evaluate, and understand what they read. The author explained that students with higher level of digital literacy are better at identifying credible sources, recognizing bias, and drawing conclusions from multiple texts. These students don't just read passively, but they actively question the information they encounter. This makes them more critical and independent readers. The article also highlights that teachers have a vital role in this process. They must be able to guide students in using digital platforms effectively, not only by giving access to online reading materials, but by teaching strategies for comprehension. For example, the article mentioned that the teacher can encourage students to compare online sources, summarize key ideas digitally, and discuss how layout of hyperlinks affect their understanding. In essence, the article teach that digital literacy and reading skill are deeply connected. One support the other. When the student become more digitally literate, they don't just read faster, they read smarter. And while reading this article, I began to think about how digital environment actually shape our reading habits. On hand, digital tools make learning easier and more accessible, but on the other hand, they can also make us more distracted or impatient readers. To my mind was how can teachers balance the benefit of digital reading with the challenges of short attention spans or information overload. The article makes me realize that reading in the digital age requires more self-control and metacognitive awareness, meaning students need to think about their own thinking as they read. And also wonder whether schools today provide enough support for both teachers and students to build this skill. For instance, are teachers trained to recognize reliable digital sources? Are students taught how to evaluate online information critically instead of just believing everything they find? Finally, the article inspired me to think that reading in this modern age is not just about understanding words, it's about understanding system of information, how knowledge spread online, how algorithms can shape what we read, and how to stay thoughtful and critical amidst all the digital noises. This reading helped me appreciate the value of digital literacy as a key to becoming not only a better reader, but also a more informed, responsible, and independent learner. And before I close this video, I want to give 2 slides that help me to explain this material or this article I read. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.